Though it lives in the shadows of mainstream sports, motocross carries a championship legacy forged in grit and innovation. From dusty beginnings in the American deserts to today's bone-crushing circuits, a title here is proof of greatness in a sport that demands everything. This legacy was built by heroes and madmen. It takes more than talent to survive this grind. It takes a lifetime of risk, obsession, and the will to remount after every setback. These are the toughest athletes in motorsport,